Hi guys, I am Abhinav. This is my KTM 390 adventure, and yesterday something very strange happened with my motorcycle. I was on my way to Speed Monks in Gurgaon, and while riding at about 150 kilometers per hour on an empty open expressway, my display suddenly flashed a warning that the ECU had failed. It first said the ECU had failed, then it said traction control had failed. Now, it was very worrying because I was riding at very high speeds and I thought the motorcycle might stall. But nothing like that happened. So let me just quickly show you the error because I'm still getting it. If I turn the key on, see it says motorcycle traction control failure, and the next thing that it will flash is ECU failure. Now, while riding at that speed, what happened was my rev needle, it got stuck at about 8,500 RPM, and the gear position indicator was stuck in 6th, even if I would downshift. There was no other change. The motorcycle did not stall. Operationally, it was running just fine. When I turned the motorcycle off and I turned it back on again, I realized that the ECU failure warning was still flashing. Now, this might not be something major. It could very well be just a loose connection somewhere, but I will have to take it to the KTM service center now to figure out what's going on with the bike. However, there's one little silver lining here. I have in my previous videos cribbed about how the traction control comes on every single time you turn the bike off. Well, that's not the case here. Since traction control is throwing up an error. Come on. Yeah, now it will. See, it stays off. Let me display that again for you. These buttons don't work till the time the warning goes off. Yeah, see? The traction control is still off. So, in a way, I really don't want to change anything right now, but I will still have to because it's an ECU and I can't really say whether it's just a loose wire. So I'm gonna ride now. I'm gonna go to the service center. They're not answering my call. I'm not sure if they're open, but since it's not very far away from home, I'm gonna try. So let me get on the motorcycle and just show you how things are not working in the display. So I've started the bike. It still says neutral, but the neutral light is not turning on. I'll try and adjust the camera angle. I'm in the first gear. The bike still says it's in neutral. Also, if you've noticed, the rev counter isn't working. Man, this rear suspension is hard. I hate it. I just hate it. I've also noticed something. With extended usage, the quick shifter is turning smoother. Now, some people earlier spoke about there being an update on the quick shifter, a software update. I didn't follow a lot of videos on this motorcycle, so I'm not very sure, but I have a faint idea. So I'm going to go to the service center and also ask them this. But yeah, so nothing. Not that it's a problem though, the bike is running just fine. Man, the suspension is hard. I sometimes just forget this motorcycle is a quick shifter, and instinctively I try to rev match. That's okay. I prefer riding like that anyway. Have any of you guys faced this? Now I'm assuming that, you know, the KTM 390 Duke shares the same ECU probably with this motorcycle, the 390 Adventure. So I don't know, I've not followed the KTMs a lot, so I don't know about the problems that these motorcycles might face. If it's a common thing, let me know in the comments please, and because I'm not sure if the service center is open. Let's go inside, let's speak to them. खुला है क्या सर? हाँ,
1 तारीख को खुलेगा।
1 तारीख तक खुलेगा?
हाँ,
अच्छा, कोई भी है जिनसे बात कर सकता हूँ 2 मिनट के लिए?
कोई केटीएम के नहीं है, बजाज के शोरूम के बंदे हैं। अच्छा,
केटीएम से कोई नहीं है?
नहीं, कोई गाड़ी संबंधी बात करनी हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ, ये तो नहीं बता पाएंगे, केटीएम वाला ही बता पाएगा। All right, so the service center is closed till the 1st. Not that I have a reason enough to ride. I'll probably ride the Street Triple this weekend or the Interceptor. That's okay. We shall come back later. Alright, I had no intentions to put up this video without the solution, without letting you guys know what could be wrong. But I think I will have to, just because the service center is closed. Which is the way out? Okay, not much to tell you guys. Motorcycle's working just fine. It's just that it's flashing that the ECU has failed. Okay, indicator lights work. Flash to pass works. Where does this lead to, man? I've never come here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will update you as soon as I have an update from KTM. In the meanwhile, if you guys know of a solution, please do let me know. Is it here? I think this might be the way. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys know the solution. Bye bye.